Yo, Ghana for this Solomon Osu from Denver, Colorado, United States. And then Asemi Edika, a numa mafache say, a numbia, and Damakuma Suyepa. Because in some degree, Ghana, phone to Minka, MPP phone to Minka, floating voters into Minka, journalists into Minka, Okoka, not done it, stress, frustrations, and intimidations. And then, my shabby fubu red and black, just a mania brepa. Maybe I was made me MPP, Panaphernalia, me war wine, me ID card and me refugee. We didn't know, but just a me MPP ni mapa. Me started joining MPP 1993. Now me start, I'm starting MPP. Me boost your phone in MPP for. Go for it, ya koto aba a year and penny for special guest tag. Anyway, me Kobe, go for it, ya anyway. Me fly to Ghana, but on a trip, on assignment. Mr. Peter Meuma me koye name me team representatives say kayem koye galamse ne ho investigations yam koye field work to understand the problem na yam bo with solutions. I gathered about 30 mining consultants, mining professors, mining doctors, mining industry experts, if you are USA, Canada, Australia, Norway, Ghana, South Africa. Me gada nipa 30 strong men. Senke yemfa India ya ba besua wo amanone no yemfa nkobwa. I was not leading, I was coordinating the whole thing. Before me come home go nso no obi anime. Se me ye mining ni. Na ye di galamsey na chi since 2017 ya de ban eto so no ye di ekire se. Enka yenhwe na enoma na ekoso no yemisu be de hye beboa yensuo ne ensase bebo ho ba Ghana fo muntie ne ye o yensuo ne ensase bebo ho ban na mum wo license no etumi akoye adwuma ma yensuo no omo sensuo ensase. Mr. Peter Mewu wa obenya video we bia Fred Mr. Peter Mewu say asema make me boana. He was the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. He said ye ne call energy. Menene kan manage to my fly for Ghana. Ye say on my car, on my fuel, on my accommodation, on my feeding. 8 regions na kebe koni nyina. We were supposed to spend 3 good months in Ghana for free, voluntary work. Professor Frimpong Boateng Charles BC wa ene omo ho aba asem e wo announce video emi say omo pene na empene china. Yen demanded capre enflo bia ho. Professor Frimpong Boateng, nobody demanded any money from Professor Frimpong Boateng. Opa mumbisa Mr. Peter Mewu say meme kwabno so me demanded 1 cedi kura efri ni ho for edumana ya baba ye na. No. Free consulting. Nanso because of omundwuma Professor Frimpong Boateng Charles bisu nie na omo ya anas e kacha enti no. No one pese e be kofo. They prevented me from going to the field just to investigate and understand the problem. Niencho report. Nienfa solution bra. Almost that. Why did I do that? Because during the campaign 2016, I campaigned vigorously for Nana Akufo-Addo because Okoka say Oba Galamsey ni small scale man on twem na mu obehye kena. Kena no ene ma omkotena fie 2 years a yensuo ni ensase aniate no. Na senne anas e di video aba wakoye investigation de resource aba e kire so omoye corrupt. Na yenya nipa bi se Canada Japan mu akotuna TV so radio so e defend it. For what? Nana Akufo-Addo, some of us we trusted you. Some of us we believe say Oba corruption. Nadia obet so. Okay, say obi a corrupt no on sene wa ban mu. Nana Akufo-Addo, you said it. You said many abrepa. Because I say some of us radio so ayetena elambasti president Mahama so corrupt no. Also ye the same thing. Meanwhile, ukra no ntumi nchi obi akra ntum. President Mahama baby obi anyame hira. Nyame ma wa hoden send be ya 2020 obesan so aba back. Ne ehu ekwan ya Ghana for e de ebefa so bio. Because Nana Akufo-Addo me ati asese odi ntro e na de beji akonya no. Asem kese wo yesi na diamatri some person sweep asem under the carpet. Ebian said Gabia Saroche Dako, Akujina baby, Ekeka 10 questions, 10 that 10 unnecessary questions. Mumbisaka Gabioche Dako said, Time na nani wofana na Kufuado, His Excellency, President Kufuado, Eko round, campaign say, Oba Obe used to announce strategy to fight corruption in his government. No, not Gabia Saroche Dako, no only Ghana na. Gabia Saroche Dako, Satam na wadana. Look, why the U-turn? Why the U-turn now? I'm not starting one A&A. Matese nana person or set committee. Next what the committees are no about assembly. He said yeah, Australia scandal because you was sports scandal or setting committee a young fasubia and ne young to me and to be to me young to me and the same thing of person yeah was a small scale say scandal we won't sanamati. The day Nana will set a committee, that day will be the day I will write my resignation letter, email sent to John Boadu, Chairman Freddie Blake, say party no, mejai, meaning say mejaya, entosini, mi womuso enyama, menyobia, but some can as a party. Na corruption cost na ne Kufuado for the 19 form, I will bet that yen say or ba fight corruption. I will stop the party. Na fe matana. Sitting na focus on the meyo we are say. I think say no be because Nana Kufuado say utumi sweep same way under the capital. You will be the most disappointing president in the history of Ghana. And I repeat, you will be the most disappointing president in the history of Ghana if you sweep this matter under the carpet. Professor Frimpong what in the charges ukroya and mom ko twan tro say yensuo nyina ye fine. Emma fish ne pata adwene ko bi nyina nam yensuo mu. Professor Professor Frimpong watching edwuma na na de ma no you failed 2 years na ye de amount say Francis Pabra no munye small scale mining no abra yensensuo you have failed woefully because edwuma na de ma enya na ohwe ye na me catch row July me ko gina me ko Ghana May to August July me ko gina office ko twa video at the Sunday across the world me to Facebook et target president Nana Kufuado et target vice Dr. Bawumia Mantemo Hey me drop publications a lot Mantemo Hey your friend is saying me ba US grano September UN Assembly, UN invited me as a guest. Emma McCoy. UN building the inside. Meshia Nana, no I busy. Made me petition Emma Nana Asanti Bedi Etuo. So on farmer Nana Mantomo Hey. And you may say called President Hotel. Ekushia Gabia Saroche Dako. Esama another petition so no farmer Nana Mantomo Hey. This Gabia Saroche Dako man and Newapa ebe defended. Because Matisse Anas part 2 ni part 3 neba no Jubilee House for bi hihiem ministers bi hihiem panyimfo trimudwene for bi hihiem a omo beba asem into osom ye no mo bogu se na be part 2 ni part 3 neba obi anka wasem me ba Ghana I went to the field me to western and then eastern regions me to then some me te wo field no na airtime Professor Frimpong what in Charlie so na airtime into Anas video by enye me nwa our president you have to act on it almost 2 weeks on can or because you want to sweep it under the carpet. Me say President Kufuado will be the most disappointing president in the history of Ghana if you sweep this corrupt issue under the carpet. Anas here and there, Mose Anas, the BBI ain't credibly. Anas, or starting in 1999. Police bribes be or they buy and your budget so 2010 cocoa smuggling. And now some custom officers, police officers, and immigration officers become hono. And no buy your budget so to Cote d'Ivoire, no smuggle cocoa, eco Cote d'Ivoire. Your budget so Ghana 4 budget so MPP 4 budget so Gabia Saroche Dako a budget so Canada Japan a budget so. Ordinary 2015 or 2015 judicial scandal be a big topic of Ghana. Judicial scandal now. You say judges be acquired bribe by under NDC almost suspended 12 judges. Cocoa smugglers under NDC they suspended some officials. And no NDC MPP4 ever budget so. A year then after the under Nana Kufuado under President Kufuor apensu nyina, under President Mills apensu nyina, under JJ Rawlings apensu nyina, anas investigations ebaye. Den na Kufuor do apensu a wo na obehye yebo say yenye citizens and my yenye spectators. Na yen nyina ye ho agim se galamsey yi ye be ma no kura dedi. Na announce di resource aba na fe do pese obogu. How? Kennedy Japan and Nkofo started attacking us when Nyantachi Mubasem. Mumbisa Kennedy Japan and Gabia Sarochi Dakun useless time questions and they say time na MPP for your opposition. Na anas investigation. I don't know one for the 10 questions number. And na Kennedy Japan one question anas na MPP a pencil there. Mobile Kakachem say we have to discredit Anas way. Anas BBC a commendeno. President Kufuor commendeno. President Atamos commendeno. Former Chief Justice Mrs. Georgina Wood or commendeno. President Obama a commendeno. Enti mi bienu amobeya Anas mbetu discredit. Some of us yet tie Anas ye MPP anyam nkwamu dia. MPP is bigger than Gabia Sarochi Daku. MPP is bigger than Kennedy Japan. MPP is bigger than President Kufuor himself. He is the president because of the party. And to some of us, because of Nkofo fraudulent deal in the party opposition. Me say Adan and another set committee officer or Assembly. That will be the day I will resign from MPP. You will be the most useless president in the history of Ghana if you sweep this matter under the carpet. And I repeat, Anya Shepran President Mahama. President Mahama most well confor and Nemunt Minchi conphobia or not bemu. Oyi Vicky Hamedi. On a prosecuting your friend is saying Abu Kapele and Nkofo. On NDC a personal prosecuting Wyoming. Mobile name say Nka Wyoming Ebeko prison 2 years. Well me down in Ghana. Most of them say a confor. Most of them say a confor. Anase Jubilee House na yesi galamsey na ebi mu hyehyem wo hono ntim na pese mbogu na na mbogu ne ahwe na Ghana fo be President Mahama nyame mo ahoden wate nyame mo ahoden se entro President Akufo-Addo so che se entro ne kasade e na odi dada Ghana fo gi akonwa ne dia onbo sa asem wengu onbo sa corruption wengu because we be kire say oba we should be citizens and not spectators. And no number some of us, ye dear sika plenty ki call Ghana, say ye koye abo mine for free. And then moment I'm Kennedy Japan, I'm saying me cost school fees every post of import watching. Me pabnosu. I'll deal with Kennedy Japan. Very soon, Ghanaians all over the world will hear from me. Me pabnosu. Na se me pobia cost school fees and your education minister. Napo kroya education minister Dr. Mato or Poku Prempe. All on the far phone, a Fred Jubilee House, a Fred. Gideon Boakum, Vice President, special said, and coming Kuno, Namiko Kamasan, Nakada or no mumna, minister school fees. Mumbisa Pitame, some men, Mabisa school fees, maybe your school fees. Maybe I don't pay anything. So Munima, Great Japan, so Nima may catch them. Or no school or a dropout. Undergraduate crowd when we into Onim school money, or so Uska, made the margin a bachelor answer. Again, President Akufo-Addo said, oh, sweep this galamsey fraud under. Professor Frimpong, what your contractual say, I challenge you, President Akufo-Addo said, for helicopter, you have access to all vehicles. You have access to helicopter. For helicopter, call small scale mining areas. Call Ankobra, that Prisia Bogoso. Call Pra, that Praso, and between Cape Coast and then Takrady. Koko Hen soon say Niatiana. River offend Dunka for helicopter call now Kasa Koshe, Memo Binko Hen Country. Say so Niatia, I challenge you, Sabi Bagana, arrest me. Chimitum or Ghana. Me challenge you, President Akufo-Addo say, so to me Koko Hen so Niati, not fishing them decide the Oko, South Africa could control, except the whole world now. I challenge you, Sabi Bagana, Chimitum. Almost kind of French show. Professor Frimpong, what you should have been sacked by now because one kind of crime fan show. This is the time President Akufo-Addo was so biwani na more. Again, Bideni Solomon Osu, Kase Free Denver, Colorado, United States. Asam no, nipen to me can make up no su, meka. Medamu Nasi, Yamen come on. Bye bye.